Okay, Aki, stand up. Now I'm going to ask you some question about yourself in English. Okay, so the first question is, you tell me what's your name?
My name is Akhi Akhtar.
What's your nickname?
My nickname is Akhi.
What's your full name?
My full name is Akhi Akhtar.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Joinal Bia.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Fatima Begum.
Okay, what's your school name?
My school name is Krishnanagar Basipur High School.
What's your village name?
My village name is Basipur.
What's your country name?
My country name is Bangladesh.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is flower gardening.
Okay, what's your future plan?
My future plan is
Yes.
I would like to be doctor in my future.
Doctor. Okay, what do you do?
I'm a
now?
student.
Okay, what does your father do?
My father is a shopmaker,
Shopkeeper.
shopkeeper.
Okay, what does your mother do?
My mother is a housewife.
Aki, what are you doing right now?
I am learning English language.
আচ্ছা মরিয়ম, শুভ সকাল।
Good morning.
গুড মর্নিং। শুভ দুপুর।
Good afternoon.
গুড আফটারনুন। শুভ সন্ধ্যা।
Good evening.
গুড ইভিনিং। শুভ রাত্রি।
Good night.
গুড নাইট। এই যে শুনছেন,
Excuse me.
এক্সকিউজ মি, তোমার সাথে দেখা হয়ে আমার ভালো লাগতেছে।
Nice to meet you.
নাইস টু মিট ইউ। তোমার সাথে পরে দেখা হবে।
See you later.
সি ইউ লেটার। চমৎকার।
Excellent.
এক্সিলেন্ট। মজাদার।
Amazing.
অ্যামেজিং। একটু স্টাইল করে বলো।
Amazing.
অ্যামেজিং। আচ্ছা, ভালো কাজ।
Good job.
গুড জব। ভালো কথা।
Good point.
গুড পয়েন্ট। অভিনন্দন।
Congratulations.
কনগ্রাচুলেশন। আবার।
Congratulations.
আচ্ছা, ওকে।